Hello guys, welcome to From Frustration to Innovation, the Sns Journey. I'm Priyanka, Assistant Professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. In this session, we will explore how SNS transformed challenges into innovation through design thinking, AI integration, and purposeful systems. Next, the spark that started it all. It's all began with frustration, the thought that this makes no sense. But instead of giving up SNS, I turned that frustration into the fuel for innovation. We decided to rebuild common sense into our system through creativity and logic. The things we spoke, it all began with frustration. Already said. Next, the search for a better way. The team searched for a smarter way to solve problems and discover design thinking through Stanford's T-School and IDEO. This approach placed people at the center, focusing on empathy, creativity, and experimentation to find the better solutions. This is the way to search for a better way. Next one, Asan. Find the missing piece. That is nothing but the power of design thinking. Design thinking becomes the backbone of the SNS innovation. It follows a 5 key stages like empathize, ideate, prototype, and test. It helps us to engineer common sense systematically and solve real problems step by step. Next one is creating a culture for innovation. The process works only when the culture supports it. SNS builds a strong ecosystem based on 3 pieces. One is a purpose, process, and people. Purpose is nothing but a clear, that is why, behind every action. Process is nothing but a consistent design thinking frame. And people empowered creative minds together, we made innovation a habit. Next, the people equation. At SNS, we believe the right people create the right results. Our teams develop 3 core competencies. One is an attitude, another one is a skills, another one is a knowledge. Attitude is nothing but is a curiosity and accountability. Skills is nothing but is a logical and business thinking. And knowledge is nothing but is a deep technical expertise. Where these 3 overlap, innovation happened. Next one, 5 pillars of it is nothing but our growth system is built on a 5 interconnected pillars. One is a learning, creativity, personal development, social responsibility, and industry partnership. These pillars ensures lifelong learning and helps students connect education with real world income. Next one is learning with a real world impact. At SNS, we focus on practical learning over theory. Students gain industry recognized skills and certifications from platforms like Databricks, AWS, and more, ensuring that every skill adds real career value. Next one is a system that keeps it all running. Wants to manage growth efficiently, SNS use smart management tools like OKR, smart goals, and gamification. It is nothing but OKR is for setting up big picture goals, and smart goal is nothing for a clear and achievable action, and gamification is to keep learning engaging. This creates a living dynamic system that encourages a continuous progress. Next one is a super changing with artificial intelligence. AI acts an accelerator, not a replacement. It amplifies every part of SNS innovation process. From personalized career roadmap and practice tests to real-world startup challenges, AI is just fuel that helps design thinking scale faster than ever. Thank you for the journey, the SNS journey from frustration to innovation. Let's continue building a culture where design, technology, and purpose come together to shape a better future. Thank you. And finally, I want to clear and complete descriptions. From frustration to innovation, the SNS journey with motivation touches. I explained the video. This presentation explores how to transform these internal challenges and frustration. At last, The SNS journey reflects a shift from frustration to a culture of purpose and innovation. It shows that when design thinking and AI come together, education becomes meaningful, efficient, and inspiring. To conclude, the SNS journey reminds us that every problem is an opportunity to disguise. By combining design thinking AI and purposeful system, we have created an ecosystem where learning, creativity, and growth never stop. Innovation at SNS is not just about technology, it's about people, patience, and progress. As we move forward, our goal is to continue inspiring young minds, shaping leaders, and redefining education for the future. Thank you for being part of the incredible journey from frustration to innovation. Thank you.